What's wrong with you, woman? Decline.
Okay, guys. Today is Halloween day.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. What are you talking about?
Ow!
I was about to break your nail. Now I'm thinking about it.
What else? What else? Add some more stuff. Come on! When I get a little bit older, or when I'm 40, this is the This is the type of color I have. It's cute, like it's modern but rustic, but like I don't know, it's just giving. I really like it, right? Probably by 20, maybe. I mean, if I can do it, I'll be happy to. But no, I don't know why I just said that. I came here to be. So my lips are chapped, but we made it to the house. Anyway, and we didn't unpack, but there's no point. But we're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna make frozen gummies. Okay, we're in the grocery store. We need to get. Oh wait, we're right. We need to get lettuce.
Lettuce.
We need to get a little bit of lettuce. A little iceberg lettuce. A little iceberg lettuce.
Little iceberg.
Okay.
You like this? Cold. It don't fucking matter. Patty, put that bitch in the fryer. You got pancake.
We're supposed to be getting taco stuff.
Oh fuck, I forgot all about that. Oh shit.
Okay, you think it's. Or can I sit inside the cart? Desmond.
That's Hulk. That's a bump. Yeah, bro. Motherfucker on steroids.
Can I sit? We need salsa. Wait, can we just get the other brand? Oh, we need avocado. Oh, we need guac. No, we don't need that. We could just do like some green peppers. You want to pay $4 when we could just get one?
$1. These are $1. It's just
But they don't have green peppers. Oh, maybe it's in the green section. No, they don't actually. Just get one. Just get like a. Like one. We don't need 3. Okay. Oh, tomato. Well, I guess salsa is fine. Wait, is the dairy section over there too? No, just the dips. Okay. Well, they have true fruit. I've never had true fruit. Oh, what the heck? I'm gonna sell down. Oh, I wanted to get bagels.
Should we get breakfast shit or go eat breakfast?
It's cheaper to just get breakfast stuff.
We make it to the tacos and spaghetti? No. I was saying like which one sound like.
we got nachos instead. I don't know. Well, we didn't really know what James and Kyle wanted because they were nowhere to be found. So, yeah. And then James was like,
please remind me that this is in here.
He's the one that brought them together. Not Michael's. But we got him. Shot him in the face. Burned him alive so he can't hurt anyone ever again.
Me.
huh?
No, don't put me on that camera. I don't even know who you are.
Why are you telling me?
You are not a part of their gang.
Never will be.
You're associated with a pimp and a pimpster. Them pimps, you gotta get it.
Are pimps and gangs, is that just gang related?
Yeah, I think that they are gangsters. No. They gangsters.
They're making it, we're doing a challenge. This was Desmond's idea.
Ooh, purple? Yeah. Wait.
Anyway, but they're corduroy, that's the 90s thing.
It is. You want to try to see if we could come up with something with this?
I guess so. I saw some brown ones, but they were like babies. Like kids. Wait. Wait. Oh, and we have on our matching PJs.
I feel I'm adding on too much, but I'm...
Did you see Jay? Listen to me. We can start.
Listen
to me, bro. Just okay. So you get your phone right. You hold it in your hand. Your left hand preferably. You gotta do it, bro. I mean, it's your class. You tell me. This nigga just be yapping.
That's how mine used to look. Is there anything down there? Oh, there, look. Terrible. Where is this one? I don't even know what's supposed to be in that. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I saw you, sir.
Damn, I thought that shit said 24. I thought it was like, yo, they have on the yeah.
Baby cute. Let me test.
God, take my hair out. I look like a wild child.
And he moved it. Where are you? He's recording too, because he wants to be like me. They have a Build-A-Bear workshop? What the frick? What the frick? Where's all the scary people? Or do they not do that here? Some funnel cake? Funnel cake? Funnel cake?
We're missing the show.
What show? Oh my goodness. Let's get dark. Damn, that smells good. Damn. Good Lord. Good Lord.
Your jacket got. Oh, you got a hoodie on or a jacket? Hoodie.
Six Flags has nothing on. Nothing on, Keys Dominion. Nothing on.
Yeah,
The
bro,
Eiffel
I'm down
Tower.
for that, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
What? What is that?
What is this?
What is going on here? I'm scared. Wait, you're getting too far away from me. What if somebody tries to get me?
Who wants? We're over here. All the rods are back here.
Ooh, drop tower.
Over here. So we gotta.
Okay, so we got on the boat,
that nigga said he
and it went
green
all the
out
way
if you get
around.
on that motherfucker, yo.
It was fine. That was like a 4 out of 10, maybe like a 3. It wasn't even that bad.
Cal,
So
get there,
yeah.
boy.
I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I'm ready to get on roller coasters.
I was asking, was this your first time getting on roller?
On this roller coaster.
Oh. Oh, and it's
Travis. Before the haunted house.
Oh yeah, I'd be down.
Yeah, mama.
2005.
Huh?
2005 by Charles Gambino.
The video?
Mm-hmm.
No matter what you say or what you do. That's not true. You lied. I'm sorry. If you do something crazy, when I'm alone, I'd rather be. I stumped him. My lips are so chapped, like they're gonna start turning bruised again. I hate that stuff.
Yeah, I hate that shit too.
Like I can see it now.
The ring.
Oh, you see it turning dark?
I hate when you get the ring around the lip, bro.
Oh, where even are you? Daddy bought these horse lessons. All on Daddy's done. Wait, do it again! Good morning, guys. Bro, my nose piercing is going through it. When I first saw it, this was like, I don't know. When it first started like bumping, I thought it was like a pimple because I saw some stuff in it. And I was like, okay, let me not pop it, like it'll come out. I don't want to get infected. Like 2 days ago when I'm like leaving my trip, I'm like, it looks kind of bad. But I couldn't do anything because I'm like already on the trip, like on the way to the trip. It's like, damn, it looks kind of bad. Even my boyfriend was like, it looks kind of bad. And he has one. His is perfectly healed. I was like, yeah. And I didn't bring my spray. I was like, dang. So fast forward to today. Last night I got home at like 2 in the morning because bro lost his keys. My friend lost his keys. But I woke up this morning and I was like, this shit is so bad. Like, and I was like, okay, so I took my nose ring out. Yo, I took my nose ring out. And I was scared because my boyfriend told me when he takes his out and puts it back in, it hurts. But I was like, I need to do it. I need to sterilize. I sterilized my nose piece. I clean my nose, antibacterial, all of that good stuff, peroxide, everything. And then I was like, okay, I need something to either like get this, I don't know if it's a pimple or not, I need to get it out, or just to keep it like not open. So I was like, okay, what do I have? What can I do? Because I don't have a flat back. If this rejects and doesn't work, I'm letting it heal and piercing it again with a flat back. But I was like, okay, makeshift flat back. Grabbed the Peach Slushes pimple patch, pushed my piercing through it, the jewelry through it, and put it back in my nose. So now it's sucking up like any bacteria and it's pushing it down. If this doesn't work, I'm taking it out. I will order some flat back jewelry, get the piercer myself, because yeah. Meanwhile, this one is fine. Nothing is happening. I don't think it's migrating, nor I don't think it's rejecting, and it's not dirty. Not dirty, but it's like not bumping up or anything. I don't know if things do that, but it's fine. It doesn't hurt. When I put it in, it didn't really hurt, but it felt like a little pinch. But yeah, so back from the trip, I'm about to edit everything, like start uploading it on my phone. Honestly, this is probably the end of the video. I don't think I have anything else to say. Oh, King's Dominion better than Six Flags so far. The haunted houses were free. That really got me, because at Six Flags you have to pay for the haunted houses. Maybe they're better, but free is good for me. Yeah, I'm about to do my little basic health and safety training work, and then look up somewhere to go on Sunday. Me and my family are going with my boyfriend somewhere. And then that's it. I need to relax. I'm going to sleep all day or something. That's why mom asked me to do something. But other than that, nothing being done. Till tomorrow. I gotta go back to work on Monday, but I am leaving early on Friday for my college meeting. Hopefully that goes well. I do not want to pay for college. I'm not ready to pay for college, but it needs to be done in order to get where I want to get. It's probably like 2 years. I think I have to do it, depending on how many credits they can transfer to my new major, which I feel like I don't even have that many credits, but they can probably transfer a couple. Like I did 2 Englishes, I did communications, you know, like there are some things that can apply. I did the audit running, and I think that's what it was showing me, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm going to need to check my loan or grant options and see, but I don't want to get a loan. If the money ain't free, I don't want it. I'm not trying to go more in debt while being like paying for school, and that's not. I'd rather stay in college for 6 years than do that. Because at the end of the day, hopefully I don't get demonetized for that. But is it like not focusing right now? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Some parts are kind of, I don't know, we were having a time. It was a little tricky on this trip, but it was still fun overall. I feel like we just have to all get used to each other, and we all have not big differences in personality, but slight differences in personality. And yeah, especially for me, because these are they're my friends. I consider them cool people, but they're not my friend group, if that makes sense. But I hope you all learned valuable lessons on this trip. Like, put your keys outside of the coaster, and maybe listen to your girlfriend, because she told him to take the keys out and he didn't do it. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.